What's up guys, welcome to Sam Production and welcome on another video. And in this video we are going to learn how to remove annoying subject or object from your photos. Suppose you have an image like this and you want to remove this person from this image. Now let's start the process. Now I will make a copy of this layer and make sure the top one is selected. Now I will select this subject with the quick selection tool. It can be rough, so don't worry about that. I will go to selection, modify and expand. Change the values according to your needs. Now press OK. Now I'll go to field and the shortcut is Shift F5 and just press OK. It's done. This way you can remove object from your photos without destroying or without distracting the background. I hope you have learned something important today. If you do, then consider subscribing. Allah Hafiz.